today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal balance quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're a frequent PayPal user or someone who checks in occasionally, knowing how to easily access your balance is crucial for managing your finances effectively. To begin with, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to the PayPal website or open the PayPal app on your device. Once there, log into your PayPal account using your username and password. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on a secure connection for safety reasons. After logging in, you'll immediately find yourself on the PayPal home screen. This is the central hub of your PayPal account where you can access various features and information. As soon as you're on the home screen, your PayPal balance should be prominently displayed. This is typically located at the top or center of the screen, so it's easy to spot. Here, you'll see the exact amount available in your account. This allows you to keep track of how much you have to spend or save, ensuring that you manage your funds smartly. In addition to checking your balance, the PayPal home screen offers more insights into your account activity. You have the flexibility to review your recent transactions by selecting a time frame that suits your needs. You can view activities from the last 90 days, this month, last month, this year, or even last year. This is an extremely handy feature for monitoring your spending habits and understanding where your money is going. Moreover, PayPal offers the ability to check the status and type of each of your transactions if you're looking for more detailed information about your activity. Whether it's a completed payment, pending transaction, or any other type, you can keep a finger on the pulse of your financial dealings with ease. Ultimately, if your primary goal is to simply check your PayPal balance, all you need to do is focus on the home screen. It's designed to be user-friendly, displaying the remaining balance in your account clearly and directly. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to effortlessly check your PayPal balance anytime you need to. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment to let us know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Also, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload new content. Thanks for watching and take care.